Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be going over the dividends I received during the month of February. Then I'll go over a comment I got from the last week's video. Speaking of which, shout out to Dean Harris for the comment. If you would like to get a shout out like this one, be sure to comment down below for a chance to be featured in next week's video. Hello, my name is No One, and I'm a 20-year-old nobody trying to learn to be the #1 investor I can be. I want to emphasize this is 100% for entertainment/education purposes only, and I will freely admit I do not know what I am doing. If you'd like to keep up to date with my journey, hit the subscribe button below. I'd love to keep in touch while we both grow our portfolios and figure out this investing journey together. Now to the rest of the video. Okay, so looking at my portfolio, the total right now as it stands, it is currently March 4th, 2023. My portfolio is at $8,307. Alright, so if we look at the dividends received, alright, yep, starts with AT&T. Received $1.39. We reinvested that one. We got PIMCO, which was $1. We got Verizon for $7.83, and then we reinvested that. Then we got JEPI for 49 cents. Reinvested that one. Then for JEPQ, we were able to get $4.61. Moving on to AM, able to get 1.16, AGNC 2.57, SDIV 0.77, Abbott at 51 cents, reinvested that. Moving on to EPR Properties, we were able to get $1.75, Procter & Gamble at 99 cents, reinvested that one. Realty Income at $1.25, reinvested that one as well. Then we have Stag, which was 12 cents, PSEC, or Prospect Capital, which was 63 cents, and Armor Residential, which was $1.43. Reinvested that one as well. Main Street Corporation, able to get 23 cents, reinvested that. BST paid out 25 cents, reinvested that one as well. SPACs, $1.59, reinvested. SBR, $1.17, reinvested, and yeah, that's pretty much it for February. Now looking at the comment from last week's video made by Dean Harris. They said, in your opinion, what makes Microsoft such a good stock? Great video, by the way. Thanks for the comment. And now to your question. Okay, so I like Microsoft for a series of reasons. First, one thing I like about it is that over the past couple of years, despite last year's price decline, their earnings have been growing pretty steadily year after year. Currently, Microsoft is undervalued, which is great because my money is getting me more shares. One other thing is when we look at the largest video game companies by market cap, we can see that Microsoft is in the clear lead at a market cap valued at $1.9 trillion. The next closest company is Tencent, which is at $450 billion. As a gamer and a Windows user, Microsoft was a no-brainer stock to invest in when it came to video game stocks. For me, the icing on the cake was when Microsoft decided to double down on their investment in OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence chatbot everyone is raving about these days. When it comes to the productivity and being efficient with time, it is exciting to see Microsoft so heavily interested in this AI technology as I am. And I think because of how well ChatGPT integrated into society these days, their reinvestment will pay dividends in the future. Speaking of dividends, one added bonus about Microsoft is their dividends. I think it is pretty impressive that Microsoft has been increasing their dividends year by year for 20 plus years now. They currently pay out 68 cents per share with a 1.07% dividend yield. I think overall there's a lot to like about Microsoft, but those are my top 3 reasons right now. Okay, so one thing I did want to say was that my February dividends are actually lower than my January dividends. I found that super interesting because I was able to accumulate so much with Verizon at the beginning of the month, and to find out that I got less than January was truly heartbreaking. I find these dividend update videos fun to make because it shows me that slowly but surely the dividends for certain individual stocks are increasing month after month, which at the end of the day gives me more confidence to invest more. If you made it to the end of the video, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment for a chance to be in next week's video, and make sure to smash the subscribe button for more content. Next week's video will be so hype, so tune in and I'll see you then. Peace out.